Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about how to create entry form in MS Excel. So first of all, you open MS Excel. You will see this is the interface of your MS Excel window. This is called worksheet. Here, first of all, you enter the field name. Suppose I have entered name, class, section, marks, English, Hindi, math, etc. In this way, you enter the header row. That means you create the field, enter the field name. Now select all these fields. Go to the quick access toolbar. You can see here, click on more commands, click on all commands. After that, you will see the form option will be available here. Find the form. In this way, you drag the scroller, you will see the form. Okay, form, that will be the option. This is your form. Now select this and click on add button. After that, click on OK. You will see in the quick access toolbar area, okay, this is your form option. This is very interesting. Now click on this form. Okay, again you select the header, that means fields, and click on form option. Now click on OK. You will see this is your form interface, which is just like entry. That means in this form you have to enter the records of a particular person that will get fed into the worksheets. Okay, suppose I am giving the name Raushan, Roshan. Press the tab key, class 9, section A, Hindi, marks 25, 32, 25. Okay, next click on the new option. You will see your marks has got fed into the Excel worksheet. Next, Kavindra, okay, class 10, section B, English 20, 10, 30. After that, again you click on the next, or you can press the enter key. Next, you click MADA and Madan, KUMAR, Madan Kumar. Press the tab key, class 8, section C. After that, English 10, 20, 30. Press enter. Okay, next, SANJEE Sanjeev, okay, class 7. After that, section A. After that, English 30, 40, 50. Now press the new option. Okay, next enter Abhishek, 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 class 9, section B, English 50, 30, 20. In this way, you can create the form and enter the data in your worksheet by using form. So the topic of my video, how to create data entry form in MS Excel. Now few options are given here. Previous, that means the previous records will be displayed in the form. Find previous, you can see find previous, find previous, find previous, find previous. In this way, suppose you want to edit some value, here you can edit. 25 was there, now you can put it 30. Okay, you will see the marks has been replaced. Find next, Madan Kumar. Suppose I have edited the section D, you will see as you press the enter, D will be replaced. So in this way, you can edit the data which you have entered in the worksheet by using the form. Okay, criteria, this is used to find some specific condition. Suppose I want to see the section A. Clear? Again you enter, press enter key. So Sanjeev, you can see Sanjeev who belongs to section A. Now you can see find previous, और भी कोई है तो Roshan is also there. So criteria is used to search the records available in our worksheet by using the form. So in this way you can create the form in Excel and enter the data. New option is used to add a new record as you click here. Suppose you have entered Manish. Manish, press tab key, class 10, clear, roll number, sorry, section A, English 25, 40, 60. Now next option, find next. Okay, no next record after Manish. Okay, press the enter key. Okay, so find next, no next record after Manish, find previous. Suppose you want to delete the Sanjeev record, so you click on delete, click on OK. In this way you can delete the record, you can find the previous record, you can find the next record, you can search the record by using the criteria option. Just once again I am going to, in previous time I have searched about section A. Now I am going to search about class 10 and press enter. You see Manish is from class 10. Now the next record is previous from the Manish. You can see Kavindra. So in this way you can use criteria option to search the records from the database. That means from the field which you have entered. So in this way you can make online entries, make entries by using form in your Excel sheet. So that's enough for this video. Thanks. See you again in next video. Like, subscribe and share.